You guys, I got it. Oh my God. I've literally been waiting for this day for 2 years. If you've been following my journey at all, I've been spending like a crazy person, literally going in all the time, doing everything I'm supposed to, waiting and bugging. At one of the most competitive stores, so I understand it's a little hard to get it, but I got it. They like me. You like me. You really like me. Well, I got it. You guys, I cannot believe that this is happening this moment. My first Hermès quota bag order. This has been a long time coming. I'm so excited. And like, the fact that I got this is a feat. It's literally like impossible to get now. I did all the things, but waiting. I tried in Paris. I have all the things. Like I've done all the things. I've bought in every category. Clientele base is crazy. Some of the most expensive, some of the most affluent people in the world. Competition. So the fact that I could get this from the store, that they picked me and offered it to me, and this bag in this size, in this color combo. I mean, okay, I can't even. Okay, let's unbox it. I got it! Okay, all right. Here she is. Oh, she's upside down. Okay, that's okay. Bye. The sound of this paper is literally the most exciting thing in the world. Okay. I mean, you probably could already tell from the box what size it is. And now from this, you can tell what size it is, but it's the perfect size for moi. I like big bags. I like to carry a lot. You guys guess? You guys know what it is? Okay. Oh. You ready? Here she is. I got Birkin 35 gold on gold. Birkin 35 gold on gold. Togo Return. The original bag in Hermes's gold color with gold hardware. Holy grail, holy shit, holy wawa, haha. Literally the original bag. This is Jane Birkin's original size. What do you guys think? Isn't she beautiful? I love her!